Hi and welcome. Thank you for registering on our Discover module and your commitment to sharpening your skills to make your business a success. We at Ezebequa Group believe you have the potential to earn an income given the right knowledge and skills to do so. We are driven by the need to add value and make a difference through our training that uses time effectively and efficiently. Our commitment to you as we will strive to make every moment count and for you to walk away from this training equipped and confident in knowing who you are, what you stand for, and to be able to communicate this to anyone. Participate in the discussion forums and complete all the activities required. This will stretch your way of thinking, check your understanding, and maybe identify some gaps that you weren't even aware of. So please commit to apply what you've learned on yourself and on your own business. This is where the true depth of understanding is realized. So we will give you the input. You need to apply and then go and master it. Make it your own. Make it something that you actually truly believe in and will actually be able to communicate to others. So this module is all about discovering yourself, understanding how others behave as well, and how and why do they behave, and why do you behave the way you do. The distinction between success and failure may not be on your technical skills, but on your ability to lead and manage yourself, your team, and other stakeholders in the marketplace. So we'll be covering what are your passions? What is your why? Why do you exist? Why do you care? What drives you? And what skills and knowledge do you have that you can use to your advantage? What are the areas that you may need some work on? What are your strengths and limiters? Each of these sections are designed for you to understand yourself more, to be more aware of your proactive and reactive behavior, and see areas that you may not even know and to work on. We often know what we need to do for a business to succeed. We just need to Google. There are thousands of articles on what it looks like for this to be successful or that to look like. But not many of us know how. We need to know, understand, and be able to manage all the areas of our business. Why you exist and want to be an entrepreneur. Who you are and what you stand for. Who your partners and stakeholders need to be, what you need to know, what you need to achieve, and how are you measuring that for success? How do you need to apply and manage your people and processes for a successful business? Where you need to focus your energy and time effectively. Time is life's currency. We can never get it back. And when you need to move and when you need to wait. So, the first thing we want to look at is what is entrepreneurship? What are those skills and attributes that are needed for us to be successful? Think about people who are successful right now. What do they have? What skills, knowledge, attributes do they have that make them successful? Think about these. Stop this video right now and think about it. Write some things down. We have given you 3 tricks. This is really to test your entrepreneur readiness, as it were. The first one that we have is busyness is not business. This one is particularly around your business and what are the areas that you might be needing to work on. The second one is the one that we actually want him to focus on here, is if you don't learn, you don't grow. So what are those skills and attributes that you have? And what are the areas or gaps that you might see in yourself? And then the last one is born or made. This is looking at those comfort zones. Are you comfortable being an entrepreneur? So do these tests before we move on to the next one. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I'll see you on Discover, the session 1, in knowing your why.